Now we will continue with the lesson, children, that is our India a physical divisions. Now we will see about the desert of India. Where we can see the desert area? We can see the desert area especially in the Rajasthan. The highest desert of Rajasthan is the Thar desert, and nearby places, that is Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, also we can see the desert area. What do you mean by this desert area? Desert area is nothing but where the vast dry and sandy area and the vegetation is not able there, and it is having very high climatic conditions, and there will be a scarcity of the water and rainfall will not be occurred. Oasis. What do you mean by oasis? Scarcity of water due to scanty rain. A fertile area in a desert where the water is found. That area is called as the oasis. Okay, and here the plants and trees are grown, especially that does not need more water. For example, cactus, thorny bushes. These are grown because there the water is scanty, and these trees and plants does not need any kind of the water. And here the animals that are able to survive is camel, because the camel does not need more water to survive, and the foot of the camel is flattened, and that is called as the hump, that helps the camel to move easily on the sand. So the camel is called as the ship of the desert. It helps the people by carrying the goods on its back. Okay, here are some questions that is again that we have learned now, that is what is an oasis. It is a fertile spot or a land on a desert where we can find the water. What are the three features of the desert that we have learned? We have seen that there the temperature will be very high and heavy, winds are blowing, and also drought, that is the drying up of the land due to the scanty rainfall. Rivers of India. There are so many rivers in India that are in the North India and also in the South India. In the North India we can see Ganga, Brahmaputra, and it rises in the Himalayan mountains. As we studied earlier that Himalayan ranges have relate more origins to the rivers. And the northern plains are fertile due to the deposition of the alluvial soil, that also we have studied. And where we can see the rivers, that is in Delhi, Agra and Varanasi. Okay, the rivers of the South India. In South India, we can see the east flowing and west flowing rivers, that is Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These are the rivers that are flowing in the South India. In recent years, especially the Ganga and Yamuna rivers have heavily polluted, which has affected the purity. Yes, they are heavily polluted because what the peoples we are doing, we are throwing so many kind of the waste into the rivers, and that has led the river water to polluted. And the climate of India, we have seen 4 climatic conditions, that is summer season, rainy season, winter season, and also the wind, that is monsoon season, where the monsoon winds were blowing. India has a tropical monsoon type of the climate. The term monsoon is derived from the Arabic word which means mozim, that is the periodic wise. We are having the seasons periodic wise: winter, summer, rainy. These are the seasons that we are having, and it will be having from month wise. Here you can see in this box, that is the seasons, that is winter, summer, southwest monsoon, retreating monsoon, and here are the they have mentioned the months then where we are getting. Winter, summer, that is March and April. Now we have seen it is having a very hot temperature we are having now. What are the wind? Winds are the movement of the air over the earth surface, that is called as the wind, that is the heavy air blowing on the earth surface. And the wind also changes from the seasonal wise. Here is a challenge to you, that is, yes, the earth is heating, the groundwater is dried up, and there is a melting of the snow in Himalaya mountains. What are the reason for this? Think about it and discuss with your friends. This is the main reason here is due to the deforestation, that is the cutting up of the trees and the scanty rainfall. Because what we are doing for the use of ourselves, for our luxurious life, we are cutting so many trees to make papers or the furnitures. But without the trees, we are not able to have the wind, and it is creating the heavy temperature, and the rainfall is also getting scanty. We are not getting heavy rainfall, we are getting very less rainfalls. Okay, how we are benefited by the broadcast weather report? What will happen in every news after the every news we will be getting the weather report. What it help us? It help us to know the climatic conditions of the day to day, and also it alert us about the climate. Here are some animals that are given, the pictures of the animals. If you have seen, tick right mark. If you have seen in photo, tick this right mark. If you have never seen this, tick this box. Okay, children? Here are some plant pictures also. What you can do is, if you have seen this, tick here. If you have not, if you have seen it in only photograph, you have to tick this. You have never seen it means tick this box. Okay, check this all four plants. Okay, India is having its own plants and animal resources. There are most monsoon forest, grassland forest, thorny bushes forest, shrub, evergreen forest, mangrove forest. Okay, these are the forests in India. There so many kind of the animals and birds are living. And what we are doing nowadays, we are protecting them, because we are not able to see so many species. They are endangered. Endangered is nothing but they are dying. If we did not protect them now, in the future we can see the animals only in the pictures. Okay, here are some questions. Mention the three names of any three protected forest area in India. Three protected forest areas: Nagarhole, Bandipura and Bhadra. These are the three protected forest area. And now discuss with your friends, that is the animals that we have not seen nowadays are white tigers, giant panda and Asian elephant. They are the rare species. Here, what are the problems arising from the deforestation? As I said, the animals are not able to survive in the forest. They are entering into the land, and human beings are also facing the problem by that, and rainfalls are also scanty, and the temperature is getting high. These are the problems that we are facing due to the deforestations. What are the animals living around us? We are seeing some animals, that is the domestic animals, dog, cat, cow, and other animals are deer, snake, birds, all are living in our environment. Okay, natural environment of the India is beautiful. We should never do any kind of the calamitous to it. We should never waste our natural things. We should never harmful to them. We should protect our environment. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.